Fatima. I'm really excited that you're here for another video. Today is yet again another unboxing video. Y'all, I am just flooding y'all with unboxing videos. But this is another vintage piece, which I think is a good find. Honestly, I don't think this is a vintage piece, honestly. But it is a really good find, and I got it off of the pre-loved market. So if you're interested in what I have to unbox, just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you're a new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, or what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscription button. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So just like all my other videos, I went ahead and opened up the box because the tape can be a little feisty. So she was biting back. So I just went ahead and opened the box. Here is our brown cardboard box with our dust bag. Here is the item. The item did come from the RealReal. And here is my receipt, and that's all what came in the box, and there was bubble wrap at the bottom of the box. So if you're ready to see what I have to unbox, let's get into it, and I'll tell you the background story of why I got this bag. Also, this is the first time you and I are both seeing this, so hopefully I like this item. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, you guys, I got another Fendi piece. I got another Fendi piece. Yes, I've been so obsessed with my Fendi Mama Baguette bag that I wanted another Zooka print Fendi item. I was kind of torn because I was thinking about getting like I guess you would say the normal size baguette bag. But I was like, I don't know if I want a normal size baguette bag. So I was searching around on the internet, window shopping if you say. I was going back and forth between the Fendi website, and I was just like, oh, I really like this bucket bag. They have like this mesh Fendi FF bucket bag, but then I was like, I'm not over bucket bags, but I feel like I have enough that suffices my wants for a bucket bag pretty much. I have a Prada one, I have a Louis Vuitton one now, and I have like bucket style backpacks. So I'm just like, I don't really need any more of that style. And so I was on the RealReal's website, and I was just browsing through the Fendi items that they had on there, and I ran across this little cutie right here, and I instantly fell in love. And even though I love my Fendi Mama Baguette bag, it can be a lot sometimes. It's kind of big, it holds a lot, and then sometimes you just wish you had like a nice small to medium sized crossbody bag that you can like run around, do errands, and just throw a couple of items in without carrying such a big item. And I stumbled upon this little cutie right here. So this little cutie is in the infamous iconic Zooka print FF fat coated canvas fabric or fabric handbag. And what I like about her is that she has gold hardware, and my Mama Baguette bag does not have gold hardware, which is completely fine with me. I love the silver touches, but you all know I have a strap, and it has gold hardware on it, so it will go perfectly, which leads me into a side caveat. Before I show you all the straps, I am thinking about cutting the straps off of this bag. Granted, I've never cut any straps on my handbags before, so I'm a little nervous. Just a little nervous because I don't want to like regret that I cut the straps off the handbag. But because I have a strap that matches this fabric so well, like, why keep the straps? But I'll show you the straps. So let's just get the outside specs out of the way. So you see it's a flat bag with a snap closure. I'll show you that. And it has gold hardware, and it has Fendi on it. Ooh. If we turn the bag to the back, it has a back pocket. I love back pockets, y'all, especially a slit back pocket. absolutely love back pockets. So this bag has a back pocket where you can like slip receipts and your phone and just hand sanitizer or a mask, things you gotta get to quick and easily. So like I said, it has a snap closure, and this is what the inside of the bag looks like. So here's the strap that I'm contemplating cutting off. Now that I see it in person, I don't know if I want to cut the strap, but we'll see what this strap along with my Fendi strap looks like, because you all know on my mama Baguette bag that it's like a top, not a top handle, but like a shoulder strap. And so since this one's like crossbody, and it is at its shortest strap length, I don't want it to like coincide with my fabric strap, but we'll see. I might cut it, I might not. I'm a little nervous. I wish there was a way I could like, I don't know, turn it into like, put like D-rings or something on it. I have no idea. The inside of the bag came with another RealReal dust bag, and it also came with its original Fendi dust bag, which is really cool. And this is what the inside looks like, and it has a slip pocket in the back, and this bag was made in Italy. So this is the bag. Let me go get my mama Baguette bag so you can see the size comparison really quickly. But I think she is such a cutie, like such a cute. This was an awesome find, yo. I just love shopping on the pre-loved market because you find some great things made out of great quality and worth the money. And y'all, this was a steal, honestly. All these items that I'm unboxing are literally all things that were like literally marked down and just sitting there, just I guess waiting for me. But let me go get my mama Baguette so I can show you size comparison. So this is my Fendi mama Baguette bag. I have a full review on this handbag. I'll link it in the description box down below and link it in the cards above. And you see the size. It's a bit more like of a slouchier bag. This bag right here that I just unboxed, it's a little longer. It's not as wide as this bag. It's a little longer or a little taller. And this is what they look like side by side. And this is what the backs of the bags look like. And I would show you the bottom of this bag, but this was my current bag, so I don't want any of my things to fall out. If you all are interested in a comparison video between the two of these bags, let me know, comment down below, and I can make that video. This is not a comparison video for this. I'm just showcasing this handbag. And you see how I have the Fendi Zooka print strap, and I want to attach it on here, and you see how the mama Baguette bag kind of its original strap kind of acts like a top handle, but it's a shoulder strap bag, so it's not meant to be worn crossbody. But the bag that I just showcased in today's video is meant to be worn as a crossbody bag. So I'm just gonna take my strap off of my current Fendi bag that I'm carrying and put the strap onto this beauty. And I really like the way that my Fendi strap, like the strap drop length of it, I really do like it. I also got this strap from Fashion File. It did come with an extra accessory that I still have. So yeah, so this is what my strap looks like, and then this is what it looks like with the original strap. Let me just cut the tag off of it. So this is what the added strap looks like, and then this is with the shoulder, I meant the crossbody strap. I'm still torn about cutting it or just not even using. I'll keep it tucked when I want to carry. Yeah, So for right now, I don't think I'm gonna cut my straps. I'm just gonna tuck the straps inside of the bag just so that the strap can be out of the way if I want to carry it with my Fendi strap like this. But if at any point I decide to cut my straps, at least like before I just do that, at least I have worn it both ways to see which way I like this bag the most. So I think she's cute. Let me know your opinions in the comments down below. I just want to know your opinion. But I love this little bag. It's so cute, and it's definitely tinier than the Mama Baguette, which I really like. And I'm glad I went down this route to get this bag versus getting another Baguette bag. And I haven't seen many people on YouTube with this bag in particular. Oops, but she is super cute. So if you enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Instagram. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.